Hi everyone, it's Misty from the Treehouse. Mr. Moose and I are ready to do our superstar number of the day, and our superstar number for today, I'm going to put Mr. Moose down, is this number. Do you know what this number is? It looks like this, and when you write it, it looks like this, and let's count our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can sing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can cut it backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So our superstar number is 5. So we'll put it on our number chart with my sticky tape. 5. Doo, doo, doo. And we already talked about how we write the number 5. So we will spell it F-I-V-E. Hey, look, we know that letter. F like fish. Let's see, and we need to make 5 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time we have 5, we make a diagonal line down for our tally marks. Let me grab my crayons so we can do our dice and our dominoes. And our dice, wait a minute, I have a special dice. There's one, but that doesn't look like a dot. These are my monster dice. My monster dice has eyes that are looking at you. So there's one. How many eyes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what our dice looks like. And our dice is yellow this time. So we'll make a yellow square for the one side of our dice. I hope you can see yellow. I'm very happy that my helper Jamie is here today to help me. So to make our 5 dots on our dice, we start with 1 in the middle. And then we go 1 in each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Monster dice. And we have our dominoes. We have to figure out what our dominoes. And our dominoes are always rectangles. So we can start with our rectangle here. Okay, over to Mr. Moose's desk. And see if you can find the one that has just a 6 on it. You see it? You see one with 6? And only 6? You see it, friends? There's one with 1, and there's one with 2, and one with 3, one with 4, oh, and one with 4. Oh, I found it! And our 5. Looks like our dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can go ahead. And it has blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it has its little line right there. There's our 5. And we need to draw 5 of something. What would we draw 5 of? Should we draw 5 googly eyes. We could try googly eyes. Have you ever drawn googly eyes before? We'll draw googly eyes. To draw a googly eye, you draw a dot and then a circle. Oh, I did it backwards this time. We drew 5 googly eyes. Let's see. Should we put 5 stickers on our 5 chart? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to find 5 buttons. Should we move our dominoes over and find 5 buttons? And I'm going to get my sticky tape. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put my 5 buttons all on my sticky tape. I'll put my sticky tape right on my chart. What else can we put on our chart? How about 5 fingers? You'll have 5 fingers on your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's draw our hand. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. That takes up almost our whole entire paper. So there's our superstar number for today. Now, I'm going to move 5 over here for a second because there is a shape that has 5 sides. It's called a pentagon. Let's clap it. Pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. Now, let's draw a pentagon. There's usually a pentagon kind of looks like a house. So you could do a straight line down, a straight line down, and connect. And then you're going to draw the top of a triangle. Up a hill, down a hill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should we draw it with a different color? Let's draw a bigger one. Ready? We'll move this out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should we draw a bigger one? Like even a bigger house? Down, down, across, up, down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks kind of neat. I wonder what happens if we do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 corners too. Should we connect some more corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a gemstone. Let's build our own pentagons. Okay, Mr. Moose, I need to use your desk. So let's put away our buttons. 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 Bye-bye buttons. Oh, Mr. Moose, you're going to help me put my dominoes away too? Dominoes, dominoes. Ooh, I'm thinking Dominoes. I'm thinking pizza. Pizza. Putting 2 dominoes at a time away. Bye, Dominoes. Now we have a clear desk. For this Math-A-Magic project, you are going to need. Jamie, can I change your, I need to change your piece. Change your spots. Turn the camera so let's see what it does. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Moose, we are going to make some pentagons. We're going to use toothpicks and tiny marshmallows. Marshmallows. We're going to talk about the letter that marshmallows start with. And there's 2 of them right on this bag. Mini marshmallows. Marshmallows is a very long word. So we're going to make pentagons. How many sides do pentagons have? They have 5. So I'm going to pull out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toothpicks. And remember, we had when we drew our pentagons, we made 2 straight lines and 1 across and 2 like a house, right? So now we're going to take our marshmallows and we're going to stick them on the ends of the toothpicks. So there's 1. And there's 2. So we're going to connect these with this one. So that looks like the bottom of our pentagon, doesn't it? Now the top is a little tricky. We're going to take 1 marshmallow and 1 toothpick, and we're going to stick the toothpick into the end on the top. Put 1 like that. Yay, we have a pentagon! Should we make another one? How many toothpicks do I need to get out? Is that enough? Is that enough? Is this enough? Well, that's enough to make a triangle. Remember our triangle? We could make a triangle. Let's make a triangle while we're waiting to make our pentagon. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. So we need 3 toothpicks and 3 marshmallows. That almost looks like the top of our pentagon, doesn't it? Okay, so we know we need 1, 2, 3. So how many sides does our pentagon have? Pentagon, 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 pentagon. We need 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time I think I'm going to connect my top part, triangle part. It doesn't stand up though. So then we'll take 2 more. So we have 2 sides. We need how many sides? There's 3 and there's 4. Now we have some shapes that have 4 sides, don't we? We have squares. And we have rectangles, and we have the rhombus. Remember our rhombus looks like a diamond? But we want to make a pentagon. We need to add our last side, so we need some more marshmallows. Now, if your big brothers and big sisters want to help you with this, they could. But you know, it'd be really fun for them to do is figure out a way to make these pentagons stand up. There's a tricky way to do that. Jamie's here saying, Mom, can I do it? Are you watching? Building shapes with marshmallows was one of my favorite things to do, and I used to do it with every grade. Little kids and big kids like to build with marshmallows. Okay. Our pentagons are standing up. I would probably put a couple more toothpicks in there, but if you're playing with your big brothers and big sisters, this was a fun thing for you to do. You could build a whole town using pentagons that are standing up. Wouldn't that be fun? So go ahead and have fun building as many pentagons and triangles and rhombi, and rectangles and squares as you can with your little marshmallows. Because marshmallows are fun to build. Like, I'm not going to be able to stop now until I use all these marshmallows up. So you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!